This film begins with an introduction from the Scottish Government's Minister for Children and Young People, followed by an overview of health inequalities and the factors that influence them in early years. The remainder of the film is divided into topic chapters and concludes with interviews from a range of experts.
We all want Scotland to be the best place in the world for children to grow up and to give every child the best start in life. The journey from conception to adolescence contains a series of critical and sensitive periods for development. During the early years of their life, children develop physically, socially, cognitively and emotionally. They're building the skills and the relationships that will provide a foundation for their future health and life opportunities. By investing in development right from the start, we are preventing problems later on, which will benefit not only the child, but their family and wider society. And so it's important that we all get it right and give children the support they deserve to fulfil their potential. To help realise this, the Scottish Government set up the Early Years Task Force, which is setting the direction for the Early Years Change Programme and coordinating all government policy that relates to children and families. This is to ensure spending on the early years is prioritised by the whole public sector. The task force is driving forward improvements with a clear focus on key changes and preventative spend. And that's why it's so important when we have good evidence to support the move towards greater preventative spending that we make sure it gets to the right people. And that is the people who can make a difference, from planning and redesigning services to delivering them with local communities. This film showcases the evidence and will complement the improvement work the Early Years Collaborative is driving forward with community planning partners. I know that our work in this area is highly regarded both across Scotland and internationally, and many countries are looking and beginning to learn from our evidence. So let's use this evidence to make sure that we are collectively doing the best we can to improve the future for all our children.